Welcome to Cakeologi. You know who this is, B.O.B., nothing but the best of the best, baby. If you're interested in money, business, and credit, you're in the right place. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I'm going to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I need you, baby. Come on, let's go. Now, for today's video, I got a lot of guys and girls out there that love cars, right? Love exotic cars. You don't want to get those Ferraris with Lambos, you know, Aston Martin, all those type of things, right? So we're going to talk about, can you get a exotic car using business credit? And if so, what are some of the strategies that we can talk about to make this thing happen? All right, let's go, baby. All right. Now, as you guys very well know, business credit can be so powerful in a number of ways, okay? And all of these ways can help you get the exotic of your dream, okay? Now, one thing, let me make this very clear. Not everything happens in a linear pattern, okay? It's not just, okay, you do this one thing and bam, you get the car of your dreams. No, it is not like that all the time. Sometimes you have to go from A to B to C to that D, that destiny, baby, okay? So if it is, you know, your destiny, then you have to follow those steps. Not everything is, oh, okay, bam, let's just finance it directly in the business name. A lot of people think, well, you know, when they contact me about business credit, they're like, well, Bobby, how do I finance this exotic in my business name? Okay, well, it's not just about financing the car in your business name, because if we do that, then that is a commercial loan, right? That's a commercial vehicle loan. I'm not saying that that can't be done. Yes, that is an option, okay? So, you know, it depends on the lender. It depends on the credit union. It depends on what our goals are for that particular vehicle, all right? If we're talking about, listen, well, we want an exotic and we want to, you know, write it off as much as we can, well, there's other ways to do that too. Now, always remember, you know, this is not financial advice. This is not accounting advice. This is from my own experience, okay? So in my experience, when you have a vehicle, yes, you can implement many tax mitigation strategies if that is your goal, you know, for buying the car in your business name. Okay. For example, if you have an exotic and maybe you have a business that is, you know, centered around cars, well, that car can be used as advertising. It could be used as marketing. You could write off miles that you use, even if it's in your personal name. You could write off business miles that you drive, right? In addition, depending on what the car is, that car is a billboard, okay? If you have that flashy car, that's gonna attract attention. So if you put a wrap on it, maybe with your business information on it, you put some type of an advertisement on it, that is a driving billboard, okay, ladies and gentlemen? So there's a lot that you can do with that, okay? So now let's get to the fact that, well, you know, can we use business credit to finance a vehicle, okay? The answer to that is multifaceted.
What?
Short answer, yes. Long answer, multifaceted, okay? So what do I mean by multifaceted? Well, when we establish business credit, we're doing it so we can separate our business expenses from our personal expenses. We can free up personal debt to income ratios and put all of those big credit cards with high utilization that we're using for our business, put them on the business side. They're not going to report to our personal credit report, ladies and gentlemen, if we do it right. Okay. Now, if you want to do it right, make sure you sign up for my free 15-minute consultation. Join my VIP business credit membership. Okay. If you guys are just now building up business credit, I've got 2 of the hottest reporting net 30 vendor accounts. So even if your business is new, they will approve you and help you get that first trade lines on your business credit report. That's how business credit is built, because you have to layer up when we're talking about increasing credit, getting higher lines of credit, business credit cards, so on and so forth. You know, when we're building up our business credit, we're freeing up our personal credit. So what does that mean? That means our scores are going to be higher. Our debt to income ratio is going to be lower. So right then and there, yes, that is going to help you get an exotic, okay? Because when you have that big payment, okay, even if you finance it out 84 months, 144 months, 1,000 years, whatever it is, they're still gonna wanna see that, yes, that debt to income ratio is proportionate, okay? That you're not over that 40% mark, okay? With all of your liabilities, okay? I do have a video about how to calculate debt to income ratios. Make sure you guys check that out on the channel, all right? Right then and there you go. It's gonna help you finance that exotic, okay? Now, what else can we do? Well, when we're building up business credit, our goal is to get hundreds of thousands of dollars. I don't know what everybody else is talking about on YouTube, but believe me, I'm not in it for the clout, baby. I'm already famous, all right? I don't need any clout, all right? So when they're talking about, get $3, $2, $5, $7,000 million in 30 days, well, how? I don't see it. It is a process, okay? But it will happen. Now, when we build up our business credit and we get lines of credit, we get business credit cards, we get the SBA 7A loan to purchase other businesses. And I'm helping people do all of this, by the way, okay? I mean, everyone's talking about flipping houses, but what about flipping businesses? Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel because I'm gonna have more videos about how to buy businesses, how to evaluate businesses, and how to flip businesses. So that's gonna be major point of contention. I'm in the process of putting the lab together, the researchers together to accomplish this for us, okay? So right then and there, when we have lines of credit, we've got business credit cards. Now, no one's gonna come to your house and say, hey, you got a line of credit, but you're not using it for what you said or whatever, okay? Well, no one's gonna do that. If you have a line of credit, and there's a lot of different lines of credit that you can get with little to no paperwork, okay? Big banks are offering them. If you go for a line of credit that's less than $50,000 with many of these banks, they're gonna approve you regardless of if you have any tax returns to show them, any business returns, any of that. They're gonna do it based on your good personal credit and your good business credit. So say we got 50,000, okay, from one bank, and there's numerous banks, and you can have numerous businesses. Do you understand what I'm saying here? So if you got that line of credit, well, you can use that as a down payment, right? Or you could use that for business expenses that you would normally be paying out of pocket, all right? Now, the way I want you to look at it is this, okay? You got 4 pockets in your jeans. If you take money from one pocket to the other pocket, it's all right. It's still in the jeans. You still got the money, right?
This is business.
So it doesn't matter what pocket we're taking it from. We just want to make sure that we're doing it so we can free up that personal credit, free up that debt to income, use that business credit, that business financing, right? To put a down payment on an exotic, right? To pay the insurance, to run our business. So if we're using that to run our business, guess what, ladies and gentlemen? We have more money on the personal side to put down on the car, okay? Or to make the payments on the car, all right? These is just the broad strokes. If you guys want to get deeper into this, make sure you guys contact me. Join my VIP business credit membership, okay? Check out the link in the description below of the hottest reporting business net 30 vendor accounts that will report you even if you're new. Okay? Not a lot of people will give us a chance when we're new sometimes, when we don't have credit, all right? So we want to take advantage of it while it's there. We don't know what can happen in the future, ladies and gentlemen, okay? So take advantage of these while they're there, while they're reporting, all right? Now, don't forget, make sure you guys subscribe, like, share the video, okay? And let's keep going, okay? I'm going for 10,000 subscribers. I need you. Make sure you guys subscribe, okay? Hit that like button. If you have comments, leave them in the description below. Leave them in the comments section, okay? I will definitely reach back out to you, all right? I'll see you guys in the next one. 2 or 3 videos every week. Peace and love, baby.